Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 29. Choose the unit you would use to measure each, right? Kilometers or meters. Alright, so we know that our kilometers or kilometers is the greater unit of measurement and our meters is our smaller unit of measurement. And we know from before that meters usually measures like how tall a tree is. So we're looking for things that are about the same size as a tree when we want to use meters. And then when we want to use kilometers, we're looking for things 1,000 times bigger than a tree, because we know that 1 meter equals 1,000 kilometers or kilometers. So let's look at this. This is a building. A building is kind of like the size of a tree, so the building is about 30 meters long or tall. 14, let's look at this. Whoa, so we're looking at a map from Syracuse, New York to Washington, D.C. And we know that that is much bigger than a tree. So the distance from Washington, D.C. to Syracuse, New York is about 470 kilometers or kilometers. 15. A bus is about 10, so this bus kind of is like the size of a really tall tree. So the bus is about 10 meters tall. And if we look at this, the Golden Gate Bridge, a bridge is much bigger than a tree, so the total length of the Golden Gate Bridge is about 3 kilometers. Okay, let's move on. Page 30. Complete. Jacob is at an amusement park. He wants to visit all 4 theme parks. Find the length of each path he wants to take. So here's the entrance, and here are the 4 theme parks. So Jacob needs to travel blank meters from the entrance to Fantasyland. So here's my entrance, and I want to go to Fantasyland, so I'm going to take this path right over here. Fantasyland. So in red, I'm going to take this path right over here. So I know it's 2 kilometers, 500 meters. But it doesn't ask for that, it asks for it in meters. So I'm going to write 2 kilometers, 500 meters, because we have to convert this into meters. So right now we know that our 2 kilometers, 500 meters, and that's going to equal, let's make this longer, and that's going to equal, I'm going to split it up first, 2 kilometers, and I'm going to add that to 500 meters, and I'm going to convert kilometers into meters, so we know 2 kilometers is really 2,000 meters, and I have to make sure I add my 500 meters. So then my final answer, if I have 2,000 plus 500, is 2,500 meters. So let's write that answer over here, 2,500 meters. Superland, number 18. Superland is blank meters from Fantasyland. So let's look for Superland. Use a different color. Here's Superland, and I want to find out how far it is from Fantasyland, which is right over here. So this is the path I want to take. And I know it's right here. 4 kilometers, 700 meters. So again, I want to convert that over. 4 kilometers, 70, not 700, I'm sorry, 70 meters. And I'm going to split that up so I know my 4 kilometers really is 4,000 meters. And I have to add that on to my 70 meters. And when I add that together, I get 4,070 meters. So I know Superland is 4,070 meters from Fantasyland. 19. From blank to Magic Land, he has to travel a distance of 9 kilometers, 9 meters. So let's find out where 9 kilometers, 9 meters is. So let's think about that. So over here, when I look at it, 9 kilometers, I'm going to write it right here, 9 kilometers, 9 meters, when I split that apart, my 9 kilometers, I'm going to use a different color. I know that this is really 9,000 meters. So when I add 9,000 to 900, I'm going to get 9,009 meters. I'm going to get 9,009 meters. So let's go up here. Let's find out where 9,009 is. Oh, that's right over here. So from Magic Land, from Superland, so this is this path right here. So it's from Superland all the way to Magic Land. So I have to write that in. So it's really from Superland to Magic Land. He has to travel a distance of 9,009 meters. Okay. I think I'm going to let you try number 20 and 21 on your own. So remember to look at the map. Remember to convert it over when you need to. And then good luck. Get started. And when you finish that, you would have finished page 30.